What's up, guys? So, happy Sunday, guys. So, how it be the past? So, how wanna enjoy on a weekend they go up? So, like, go church today. Still go thank God for what God on the phone now. Yeah. So, another day don't come again. You see, get one matter like that. Maybe say, man, we try to settle this matter, and this matter get the way it stay there. So, and the topic now, side chick versus marriage man. So we will watch the videos more see how the video go and what do you think about what it happened. So it goes like this. One particular woman, this one happened for Europe, so and particular place where happen na from Italy, now for happen. So the particular state where for 60 happen, it happened for Napoli. So this particular woman, as he entered the countryside, so as he entered the countryside as he enter, so he can just begin the, as a newcomer, can they look how things they go. As they look at things they go, the next thing, can see one man, can they hire one kind. So, and the man they hire, this lady no no say yes, say this man when they hire, it already occupy. So you can't accept normal level. The two of them can't date together. And they can't date together, they can't they go. So one day, now the man, the woman can't take in. And the woman can't take in. So the man can't say me the woman leave and the woman can't go spoil her. So why the woman can't go spoil her? Before the woman can't go spoil her, say the woman can't realize say this man so na person I get her. So now can say you know if he leave this the belle so that's why he go spoil her. So as he go spoil this belle, so the cost they say the man come dey call and say why you go spoil this belle, leave this belle for me, you understand? So in it down. So as the woman come say am say I like say this man really need this stuff. So now the woman come say they do they go, and this woman no say yes, say this man get wife. So and the man now he just take the woman as a side chick, you understand? So as they do some kind kurukere waka, according to the woman say the man they do well. Normal level when we say if man get side chick, he go they give her money, give her everything, make the woman for stay like that. And this woman, so not be saying no they see all those young person when they single, when they very free, if they say all those things, if they see them, they say but they not get money, they not fit give her anything, wait till they feel offer her. Now because they say this one when be say they give her money, when be say it already occupied, saying go die there. So now then they so anything one person come out, no shaking, saying go deal with them, and go deal with the man. So as they go, and not say yes, say last, yawa go gas. In the sense that in the feel say maybe as the sweet they go, level no go so as the sweet they go, level come so the matter can't get as be. Now the woman can't cry, come and say, man, this man, and wife they disturb her, wife they do this, wife they do that. So because they say, what till we see inside, what till we check inside, so what till we reason. So before I continue to talk, so my play the video more here and Musa see it be it happen. Because if I already talk like that, you say this guy don't come again with his story. So now what really happened for Europe side. So me now listen to this video before we continue the video.
I'm going to say their wife.
Why the video
begins?
This
big matter when they my president come me to man. Because I don't carry all this one small matter again. This matter we won't put everlasting sickness for my body. When I enter my name, I think I don't match what I want, and that's why I want to talk matter for here. Now I think today will do. When I come this Italy, me and the man, the friend ourselves. First time I don't know say get wife. I don't know say boy do marry. Later now I don't know say get wife. As we call a friend they go, because the man they help me. As we call a friend they go, I get spread belle, I go abort am. After I abort the belle finish, I call and say I appear belle for I abort am. If they shout, if they vex, say I go abort belle, me I no wan born for am name. Second time again, the same thing. So we go dey do. 2019. Now I go get another 2018 now I go get another belle. As I get the belle, now we come go even na in house na closet, now we discover say I get belle. As I get the belle now I come carry me go emergency. We come go do test. Say one know how many months the belle be. They tell am say the belle never reach month. Say na like 3 weeks of days. We shall do because say I must come out for Italy because of say me wife no go to say another person don't get the left for her. I agree with her to come out for Italy. I did Germany. They talk, they call me, they talk. Anything where I meet, the beginning, they say that they come. So we go, they talk like that, they go, they call me. No time when they call me, every time they call me. As the belle don't reach 9 months now, I come for the beginning. No social media things now, they come post on Facebook. People come carry the picture, go give your wife. Say, see the girl way born for your pikin, this one, that one. The wife starts to make problem. The wife name na Nike go for Facebook, now she dey use. The wife starts to make problem, they shout, they do this. Before that, the husband don't come and say, it's possible to say, my wife come me. If your wife come me, man tell the wife, say, now connection has if for me to avoid problem. But because I said the pikin where I'm born, I want me to grow. Me no die enough. I do everything when the man they call me. The woman call me through. I call the tell the woman say, now connection has me and the wife bind for me. The man carry me take break, he pay me money. Meanwhile, not be like that. Now to just satisfy the man for waiting he wants. Because not the wife ask her when they give me. Everything, and he know everything about this issue because now he tell me, say, I tell your wife like that, say, now connection has nice for carrying me. I tell your wife like that. Stay now, the wife no rest, they make sure they share my picture up and down. If they share my picture, people will send and give me. I can't say, okay, the wife, the husband can't say, okay, man, come later, you make they do DNA test. Say, we want to open up, give your wife, and I get the pikin choo. I can't come Italy. You get one now when they call Baba Junior. The Baba Junior now this Napoli day, they do ties for this Napoli. Now he talk say he know the hospital where they do the DNA test. As I come, the day when I don't come, my family, my friends, my brothers and sisters, the wife don't follow us go to the hospital, go to the DNA test too. The wife don't follow us go to the hospital, go to the DNA test. Instead, me, Baba Junior and Naki go to the DNA test for the hospital when I reach Italy. So the people was days when result will come out. I put him out to move for Napoli, man go stay for somewhere. See, if the time don't reach, they will come and we will gather go collect time. If I call them say, how far, they will say the time never reach. If I call them, they will say the go hospital today, the doctor when you want to read the paper, no day. If I go today, they will say they go today. The doctor say when they come back tomorrow. They don't give me excuse. No, now, the DNA test use 1 month and 2 weeks for hospital. Later, then they come call me, they come send this paper, give me. No know anything, wait inside. They say the pikin no be the man own. Say na negative. Well, you tell me, I don't accept the problem like that. Say, one day, the truth will come and I don't want to make problem with anybody. Because of this issue, I know people I can't go anywhere. If I want to do this one, they will say because of the weekend. They will bully me. The woman, they bully me up and down. Say, your husband, that one, your husband do touch wedding with her, your husband do marriage with her, and not to collect your husband, they do things, they threaten me. But many people don't call me. Since yesterday, like people don't they call me. Say, the woman don't they carry and put for social media up and down, carry and post. They call people for Nigeria, for all Europe. Say, I carry bastard to kick up.
So guys, now the matter be that. So what do you think concerning this issue? Because this life we dey so now slow and steady win the race. But some people never know that when you travel or you go any place, why not relax? Like keep yourself. Like as other they do, you keep yourself, you wait till your time. God will bless you. Not that you enter another country, then you as you come meet say yes a person, they get your own wife, they do wedding, do everything. Then you still know, you still they go inside because of say the man they give you small money. Why? Say as a side chick. You understand? So the man they give you money. You don't think say yes, say pregnancy go come out. Even when it be say yes, the man wife can't really know about it. So the man can't tell you say me you tell your wife say he see you for joint. Say me you tell your wife say he see you for joint. Say he pay you. Say not be na not forget anything. So why you can't be very stupid like that to say that word at all? And this man now your you know like that. So that kind of something not be something when makes sense. You understand? So why they talk about this video be saying for our lady up there, if you dey any place, either you dey Europe, you dey Africa, you dey any part of the country, you understand? So my dear, patience, just relax, wait for your time. Not be because of like this money, because this paper when they put color, they spoil so many things. You understand? So man, you know say this man get wife, so the man even give you belle finish. He send you go another country, then you stay for that country. Then the same man say may you still come back again for the same country when first say may you come out go, because that this very topic is very common for Europe. You understand? So when man go give woman belle, go send and go another countryside. You understand? A very bad thing. So are you yourself, you know, because say yes, he send you go another country, then you come born there, then your friends come paste the picture, paste everything with the man, everything for social media. Really, the woman come see him, come begin to attack you. The woman get right to attack you, yeah, because na a man, na a be. So you yourself, you know. Don't be say young guys not there up there because of say money, because of say this colored when be say yes, this paper when they put colored call money. Say the man they help you, they give you money based on you be side chick. Normal level go give you money. So what do you how you can feel now? How you say how you feel now? Now who can they regret now? Okay, the man can say may you still come. See you now. You can't be like in a rag, you can't be. You see me, you still come, they go do DNA test. The man even for the man mindself, no, in mind say they tell him say that picking self not being getter. That's why you see say me they go do DNA test. So okay, they don't go do and come back now. They say the result now negative. Say not be the man getter. So how you can be? So how you want to feel now? All the stress, all the suffer, all the things we say you don't want suffer. That suffer what you say you don't want suffer. And now you want to do the suffer. You say yes, the woman they bow you. Yeah, yes. Now normally the woman supposed to even do more than that. Because if now you go do more than that. Like that. You not see single men there. You feel say single man not feel help you, single man not feel give you money. Why you can't feel say yes, na person will be say yes, you don't already get. Now you they put your head inside. So what do you can expect me go happen? So this advice now for those single ladies there. If you as you dey anywhere you dey, try me you walk. Try me you walk so. Try me you get something upstairs. This money go come. Not be because of say you see one man come fair buy you one small thing. You say the man saying like you, and you know say this man get wife, and normal level the man not go marry you join his wife, or the wife not go agree. You understand me? So now just also your oxo. You understand? So if you dey do anything, you dey work, just manage the work where you dey work. You understand? So one day God go answer your prayer. One day that oxo where you dey oxo He go bless you. Then you go in and do anything wey you want to do for your life. Rather for you to like wetin you say suffer wey you say you no wan suffer, no wan suffer, no wan suffer. You come fall you come see yourself inside mess. Now the suffer wey you say you no wan suffer, now you wan suffer am. So now you can't either you can't think again to still go back to the another country again with the baby. So which one be the highest suffer? You say the man tell you say make you come. The man say make you come. If you come, now go do DNA test. So they can't go do am now. Say he want marry you, he use brain for you. According to the way I sound, say bless the man not get pikin. You understand? So the man cause okay, me come me really assure say yes, this pikin I ain't get that. So they can't go do am for Napoli. Now no understand as Napoli matter be. He can't go do am now. They do am finish now. Now so they can't send the result. Say the result now negative. So you can't carry Bible come out and begin to swear. Say if not be the man get her. First of all, why you fake when the man wife call you, say you get belay for my husband. Why you not tell her everything I tell up as the man still meets you, as I still know, I still take care of you. You not tell her the man tell you say me, you tell her say he see you for connection house. Not that thing for sub. Connection house means say yes, he see you for joints. He pay you. So why you come and come begin to cry like all this stuff? So ladies, Mona wake up. Mona forget all this. In short, Mona forget all this. Like say you see one man, he deal with somebody. He they give you money. That money when they give you, not go give you that money forever. Instead of that money, now just for a while, just go work. You understand? So anything you see your mate, they try to fix themselves too. Fix yourself to do that same thing. And when you do that thing, I bet you, man self, they go when they rush to follow you. Man self, go when they beg you, say, marry me. You understand me? When you respect yourself. But when you don't respect yourself, say, yes, you know one work. See, they see one man, they give you, maybe give you 500 euro, give you 1,000 euro. You feel say, yes, you go give you that money for, you know, will give you that money for life. If they give you that money to take destroy yourself as a side chick, you know, say, yes, say, if he not give you this money, you not go stay. So he just have to give you this money. By the time he don't give you, don't like, it don't catch you well. Then it don't tie you join the one you want tie you join. Front, you know, go back, you know, go, you just remain there like that. You just remain there like that. And we men, mona still take it easy. You tell you if they do all this kind of something, and you open up, tell the woman, so and the woman know. You tell your wife, say, see everything. Don't be say you come say me, you are in the side chick, they plan which one I want to talk. You they tell the side chick, say me, they talk like this one. Say and the woman now, they carry the woman like the announcer. Say they call people for Nigeria, they call everybody. Say make the woman leave your husband alone. You understand? So because really you don't already spoil everything like that. So women for Europe, they're very common. Won't be say yes when I like money too much. Not be money, be love. Not be that small money when the man go they give you. You feel say yes, everything go good. No. So if you keep yourself, I always watch women when they Europe will be saying they keep themselves. Then they always like people, they always point hand on them, say, man, these people they are too much. When you in terms of saying they walk or you do small thing. Any man when come to your way, you see single man when will come to your way. When I plan life together, when I do things, so every year go good. Rather for say yes, say you don't want to walk, or you see one maybe so call anybody when you see, and the person they occupy, you see they took your head, they go, they took your head for inside the hole. For your mind, you say yes, you don't catch big fish. You don't say yes, say as you say yes, now big fish it be. And the wife, they wait for you for front. The wife, they wait for you for front. The day when your wife will call, no, problem don't come out. And you man, when you say yes, you get wife for house. What is the inside? When you say you get wife for house, you come on, go carry side chick. If your wife, when you say they inside house, if you not sabi dress, tell her what to dress. Tell her what to put on. You understand? So if you say yes, your side chick when you get for outside, if they do here every two weeks, so tell your wife to change her 2 weeks. or they wear trousers, or wetin they wear, they rub cream. So tell your wife too to rub cream. It will still look like the way you want her. You understand? So because not the difference, no difference inside when you go outside and the one with the inside, it's not the same thing. But we, the men, say, I want too much. You go sleep for inside bed, you wake up with your woman for inside bed, you get up again, go outside. That one with the outside, now you are a day. That one when you see for outside, when you rub Mary Kay, rub whatever what you rub. Why not tell you use that same Mary Kay? Tell your wife, say me rub Mary Kay, me she look good, like that. Then when you see her, then you know say yes, this one my wife. If you say yes now, you like you be that kind of man when you like when your wife go wear sexy things inside house for you. Yeah, you tell me they wear them. So rather for you to go see the one we wear sexy thing for outside, you say man, this ladies, if you know fit catch her, you know fit dey okay. End of the day, you see catch her, you can't spend unnecessary money. When your wife there, after you be say yes, the money when you be say no give your wife, you can't give outside side also called side chick. You understand? So that's money when you spend, when you give this woman say anything wey she wants. Maybe you rent house for her, you dey pay in rentage, you dey do all kinds of something for her. Give am to that your wife. Whether that woman no go better pass that side chick wey you dey look for outside. I'm telling you, down on the fat. The side chick, there's no different inside. The fact is just that maybe na the dressing code, or na the cream they rub, or na the hairstyle. So your wife can still do more better than that. If your wife, if you be man, like woman when they tie wrapper, tell her say no they tie wrapper. She go change, yes, she no go tie. You understand me? So that money you want pull out for outside, give her. Make she arrange herself. If she arrange herself, my guy, you go decide you dey love her more and more. Or if they take her out, they take her out. You understand? So you at least they show her some other things. There's something when you understand. Say when you start Mona start dating, una they go outside, una they cash phone, that same phone, no let us change. See they do it continuously. You know, ever see another woman for outside, say I go date. No. Because why? All the phone una they catch, una see they catch her normal level. So how you think about this video? So anything you think about the video, so share the video, drop your comment there. And if you never see, subscribe for my YouTube channel. My YouTube name now Imambo the Talk TV. So just subscribe in case if I upload video, you will see more video, and more video they come. Some inspire video will be say yes, where you go watch, you go make you like as in reason well. You understand? Maybe if you see the end, that kind of thing, it will make your head straight where if you like fall into some problem, just subscribe, you go get some good plan now, some good videos. By the grace of God, it will soon start come up. You understand? So we get to talk today because I don't get time. I just might rush like talk about this video today. So guys, so Mona, like, share the video for me and subscribe for my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Ciao.